Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write 10 paper using ChatGPT. The way to do it, the right way to do it, okay? There are so many ways you can do it and you do it wrongly. So this is the right way you're going to do it and you're going to get an amazing result, okay? So I'll start with this. So said this is my 10 paper topic. Kindly give me an outline for this 10 paper topic. Ensure to format it into 4 chapters, okay? So when you send it, you observe that it's going to do something for us. That's already divided it into 4 chapters, okay? This has helped to make the work very easy. This is something that you would have done before and then it take you a lot of time, but it has already formatted it into 4 chapters, and these 4 chapters is what we're going to use to write our 10 paper. So when you get this outline, the best thing to do, you first of all, you have to copy it. You see what it said here, remember to support your point with relevant example, data and the rest of them. So this is what we are going to do. So you are not just going to copy blindly. I see some people will tell you that they use ChatGPT and do everything. You can't use ChatGPT and do the whole work because of its limitation to have access to live data, okay? So that is the essence of this video. So ChatGPT has helped us to develop the outline for our work. So you would like to copy it, and when you copy it, I'll show you something. Then you come to this place. So right click whenever you want to paste it, especially when you're using your laptop or your phone. Try to use keep text only, okay? When you use source formatting, you find out that you are going to find it difficult to format it. So use keep text only, okay. I haven't gotten the outline now. The best thing to do, you have to go through the outline and ensure that the outline meets the condition, meets everything you want. You can also come back to ChatGPT and tweak it and tell it to give you other prompts, other outline if you don't like that particular outline, okay? So let's go back to our this thing. Now I'm going to introduce you to the next power. Okay, this is the prompt you're going to use, okay? This is my prompt warehouse. So we're going to use this particular prompt to write this whole work from scratch to finish. So this particular prompt. Now I want you to pay attention. You find out that I used ChatGPT to get this outline. Now the next platform I'm going to use is BingChat, okay? The reason why we are using BingChat is because BingChat is powered by GPT-4 model, the strongest and the most powerful model as when I'm making this video now, 12th of August 2023, is the most powerful model available to us, okay? So it can actually it's powerful because it has access to the internet, it has access to live data, unlike ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model, but it does not have access to live data, meaning that the information it has is only to 2011, okay? But BingChat has access to live data because it is a browser, it's a search engine like Google. Bing is just like Google is popular because that is what everybody use. So the Google version, the Bing now is a search engine but belongs to Microsoft. I hope you understand. So in order to access Bing, you have to use this thing. What is it called? You have to use Edge browser, okay? You have to have an Edge browser, and immediately you have that, you have to create an account. Just like your Gmail account. You have to create a Microsoft account, which is called Outlook account. That is why you have to use it. Now the reason why I'm using Bing, we can actually use Google Bard, but Bing is more powerful because it's powered by GPT-4 model. It's much more powerful than Bard. That is why we are using Bing, okay? So how to access it? Immediately open your browser and you have logged in into Bing browser, okay? You just type, let me see, I just type boy let's say you want to search something, just like the way you use your Google. Okay, it's very easy. The way you navigate through Google, the same way, apply that same knowledge here. You can see now that this belongs to Bing. So you click on this button, chat. Immediately you click on this chat, you discover that we're going to see something. Okay, my network is failing me. So immediately you click on this chat, you discover that we have a view here. Okay, what you are seeing here is more creative, more balanced, more precise. But preferably, I would want you to use more creative, because in using more creative, you will get access to, enter in 400 words. More balance, you have 2,000 words. Precise, 4,000 words. So they have their own use cases. But when it comes to academic writing, this 10 paper writing, I would prefer you use more creative. Okay, so we'll paste our prompts here. Act as an academic writer. Okay, so I have to pause this video. So as you can clearly see here, act as an academic researcher. Task: write a detailed paragraphs on the outlines, instructions. Include the intent citation using APA. Okay, what I'm trying to say here is that these are the instructions. Okay, act as an academic researcher. The task is to write a detailed paragraphs on the outline. So the first instruction, the second instruction, the third instruction, the fourth instruction, the fifth instruction, and then I told you that I gave you at the end of the, don't start or end paragraph with citation. You must follow the 5 instructions I gave you. Don't fail to follow these 5 instructions. Do you understand? So I've given you this instruction so that it can give me exactly what I want. You understand? So that my work will be very, very accurate. So I'll come back to this place, then I'll copy my outline, copy the outline, then go back to Bing browser, then right click and paste. Immediately I paste it, I send it. Just watch what will happen. So it's going to stick to this instruction and ensure that it does exactly what I have asked for of it. So as you can see, it's already searching the web, education system and society. It said, hello, this is Bing. I am here to help you with your academic writing tasks. I understand that you want me to write a detailed paragraph. Okay, so here is a possible paragraph based on the outline and the web research search. As you can see, it's already giving me this thing, and it has already given me an outline, a paragraph based on this particular outline. Okay, so that is how amazing it is. So the purpose of this paper is to blah blah blah. So this is already my first outline. Okay, so I will go back again. Okay, let me copy the second outline. Okay, let me copy this one, first outline, copy, controls, copy, and then come back here, come back to my BingChat and say do same for this outline. Okay, and then paste the outline, send it. So as you can see, it's already giving me at the end of the day, I'm going to prompt it to give me the whole reference list, and then I'll copy and paste it. So as you can see, it's well referenced, and this stuff is valid. Okay, because it had to search on the web to get the information from me. Do you understand? So it had to search on the web, and then it was able to get the information right, for me. As you can see, just define the concept of subsystem and the relationship to the larger societal structure. From that outline, is already doing a good job. You understand? So what I will just do is I will just continue doing the same thing. I'll come back to my outline sheet. I'll copy an outline, and then I'll tell it to do same for this. Okay, that is what I'll keep doing. And then at the end of the day, do same for this outline, for this outline. Okay, so it's going to continue doing it. At the end of the day, I'll just copy my work and then format it as I would love it to be. Okay, pay attention. You don't need to copy it blindly. Okay, you need to read through it, but as you can see, it has done the heavy lifting for you. instead of doing it the traditional way whereby you just write, you draft your outline and then you go online and start looking for materials. You can actually use this method and then you get an accurate result and equally save yourself time. You understand? In an hour or less, you can be able to finish a 10 paper work. And if this is what you do as a student, you can literally do like 10 to 15 10 paper for your fellow colleagues and make money for yourself. So it's a nice skill. It's something very, very great. And now I want to say something very important. In order for you to thrive using this skill, there is something you must understand, and that is what I call prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the act of communicating with this large language model. Okay, is the act of communicating with this large language model, and there's no way you can get the best results if you don't know how to communicate this large language model. You understand? If there's a way if you don't do it rightly, this stuff is not going to give you what you want. And like this prompt you are seeing, it took me almost 30 something minutes to get it exactly to do what I want. So as it is now, is a template, so I can use it for any 10 paperwork I want. So feel free to watch it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the video. And finally, I have a program for those interested. It's a mentorship program. We're going to be diving deep into large language models. You're going to see more. I'm going to help you to explore the worlds of AI and generative AI specifically the text to text, the text to image, the text to sound, or that is audio, the text to video. So the base skill is prompt engineering. So in this mentorship program, you have access to me, like direct you and then help you to you know how to use these skills. I want you to understand that in 10 years, in 2 years, 2 years is very far. Few months from now, this skill will be in demand, like in a massive demand. And since last year, I've been exploring this skill, so it's not as if I'm a novice, okay? And I've taken various courses and I'm still training myself because this is something, this is the future, and it's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to go anywhere. ChatGPT is not going anywhere. This ChatGPT keeps improving. It's not going anywhere. So feel free to check the description below to get access to more information about the mentorship program for those who are interested in learning how to do this skill. It has multiple use cases. It's not only you're not going to use it only for 10 paper. You can use it to do other things that are very, 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 very important. Okay, so thank you very much, and please try to practice. Thank you very much for your time.